Ever had those days where nothing sounds good to eat? Every food item seems bland, or maybe you're just not in the mood for anything specific. Well, it happens to the best of us, but don't worry, we've got you covered with some quick and easy-to-prepare food items that are generally loved by many. First on the list is the classic grilled cheese sandwich. It's simple, it's cheesy, and it's comforting. All you need is some bread, cheese, and a little bit of butter. Heat up your pan, butter your bread, put the cheese in between, and voila! A warm, gooey grilled cheese sandwich is ready to devour. Next, we move on to everyone's favorite, pasta. Pasta is versatile. You can go for a simple garlic and oil spaghetti, or maybe a creamy carbonara. It's quick to prepare and can be tailored to fit your mood and palate. And then there's the ever-reliable scrambled eggs. They're not just for breakfast, you know. Scrambled eggs can be a quick fix for any meal of the day. Just add some herbs and spices for an extra kick. Fancy some soup? How about a classic chicken noodle soup? It's nourishing, comforting, and pretty easy to whip up. All you need is some chicken, noodles, and a few vegetables. For those with a sweet tooth, why not try a mug cake? It's a quick and easy dessert that requires minimal ingredients and effort. Mix in a mug your basic cake ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, and butter. Pop it in the microwave, and in less than 5 minutes, you have a warm, fluffy cake ready to enjoy. Finally, there's the good old fruit salad. It's fresh, it's healthy, and it's adaptable. Pick and choose your favorite fruits, chop them up, and toss them together. Maybe add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for that extra touch. So, to summarize, on those days when nothing seems to tickle your fancy, there are plenty of food options to turn to. From a classic grilled cheese sandwich or versatile pasta, to the ever-reliable scrambled eggs, nourishing chicken noodle soup, quick and easy mug cake, or a refreshing fruit salad. These are all easy to prepare, adaptable, and generally well-liked by many. Remember, food is not just about satisfying hunger, it's about comfort, joy, and sometimes a way to lift our spirits. So the next time the food blues hit, don't despair. Instead, whip up one of these quick and easy meals, and you might just find your mood lifting with every bite.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest